Oh, hey guys, so welcome back to another video. And today is, we didn't do the same today, I'm sorry, it's because I was so seriously busy, airport stuff. And today, something happened to this package when I got it, but I don't know what happened, but I bought it at 7-Eleven, $9. Fidget spinner unboxing! I have a fidget ball, which is really hanky sack, and I name it fidget ball, like for some people that have ADHD. First of all, let's do this. So guys, where should we put this? I'm probably going to put this back in the case later, so it doesn't get messed up. I'm using my tripod right now, so I can just put it wherever I want. I do this thing. So let's just put that right there. Then let's grab this. And I'm going to use this later, so I'm just going to... No, I don't need this. Back here, let's put this thing in the case. So if I need it, all my stuff on my dresser. What am I, bingo. And if you guys like this video, subscribe for more content, and view this video, maybe I will get a new one soon, guys. Stick with me, okay? So I have to, maybe next month? I don't know. So let's just put this over. Do we want to put my thing down? Right here. Okay. You guys want to see what close up of this is? Look at this metallic fidget. Beautiful. If you guys want to see it spin. No, guys, so today's video wasn't just an unboxing. Today's video, this is my pocket. And I'm about to shorten the oh god, I don't have pockets in my sweatpants. I should have worn jeans or that today. Guys, I'll pause the video, and I'll be back when I'll tell you what we're going to do, and your view is going to be shorter. So guys, I'm back. Oh, how was it shorter? You guys don't know. This tripod. I need to find a place for it. I need to put this in here. Then I need to put this here. Then I need to glue it like that. That would be perfect. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be people reacting to my fidget spinner in the house. I'm just saying now, I know, get down. Put it like that, or you're gonna, good tripod. Why? What the? Are you good? Hold on, I'll be solving this problem fixed. Okay, guys. Now it's fixed. Great. What does get a zoom? Oh god, sorry. Oh god, that's it. Oh god, you stupid tripod. You stupid. Stand up. All these are not down all the way. Alright, get down. I get that gun! What the? Oh, my parts are falling! Oh my god. This is ridiculous. In the middle of recording a video, you stupid tripod. Yeah, get wrecked, tripod. Ugh. So sweaty. Why do whenever I record, I sweat? I've been sweating all day. I also had baseball practice today, so the stream is not going to happen on the day that I have baseball practice, because I'm just way too busy. What the heck? What the? This is ridiculous. You know what, tripod? Get out of here. I'll put you back later. Look at that. So guys, I put my tripod later. And my dad's gonna be the cameraman behind this. I'm holding it right now. Let's get out of here. See, that's my dresser, guys. Let's go here. Alright. So we're in hand sanitizer. Okay, so Dad, I need to get this. The tripod is not cooperating with me.
You want me to get what?
Just record this.
Record what, Jake?
This. Just record me.
Dizzy, here, put that in your room. Doing what?
You'll see. This
Jake.
recording.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
You see?
It's kind of dark.
You see this?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay, let's go back. Is this on? Okay, let's see how my pets react to this. Maybe what? Oh, what was that? Hello?
I doubt your mom wants to be recorded when she comes out of the bathroom.
Okay. Let's go find Otto. Otto, you're recording Otto?
I would really like to do a 6 I think it's disgusting.
Yes, we're going. You're on YouTube now, so.
I don't care. Why am I on YouTube?
If for some reason I'm holding this.
I should be able to walk in my house.
Jake, come on, let's do this.
Oh, that happens.
Jake, come on, man.
Okay, let's go.
Where are we going?
To Otto.
Why? What do you need the cat for?
Daddy?
Yes, Jake.
Can you actually Otto from the garbage? Otto, what's
I can't right now.
After?
Maybe after.
What?
After.
I don't move.
Jake, are we done here?
Huh?
We done?
I think we are.
Okay, there you go.
Back into Otto's bathroom. My room, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big fat thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. Apart from that, really nothing else to say, but bye!